Welcome. On this Thursday after Epiphany, I want to continue sharing some thoughts about the first reading for today's liturgy, which comes from the first letter of John. John writes, "Beloved, we love God because he first loved us. If anyone says, 'I love God,' but hates his brother, he is a liar. For whoever does not love a brother whom he has seen cannot love God whom he has not seen. This is the commandment we have from him. Whoever loves God must also love his brother." Those are strong words. If anyone says, "I love God," but hates his brother or sister, he is a liar. What this says, and this is the point that I made yesterday, that our love for God is shown in our love for each other. The way we know we love God, the way we know the quality of our love for God, is in the quality of our love for every human being. And so if we say we love God, then there is no room for hatred. There is no room for indifference to anyone's plight. There is no room for prejudice. There is no room for feelings of superiority. What John is saying here is that if I do not love my neighbor, I do not love God as I ought to. That any deficiency in my love for the neighbor is a deficiency in my love for God. This is a hard truth. This is not easy to live out. But as John tells us, this is an important and necessary part of our call to discipleship. Thank you once again for watching. Have a safe and healthy day today.